Okay, it's June 2nd, and here are the little babies moving around. Smokey's in the front, Mulder and Scully over to the side here, looking at me, trying to decide what it is they want to do next. As you can see, they look like little drunken things. They're just wobbly, coming over here to investigate, making a few steps outside the nest and towards me. Here we see Mulder and Scully playing. It's a little hard to see, but Scully's biting him. Now she's licking him a little bit. They're wobbling here again, wobbling towards me. Here's little Smokey. He's come out to join us for a little while. And here's Scully and Mulder still over here together. Here's Scully and Mulder playing again. Scully's attacking Mulder. It's a little hard to see here, but the three of them are now together playing. They're batting each other a little bit and biting each other.